After the age of 50, life becomes very busy with responsibilities. Family needs your time, household management takes energy, and most people spend their free time watching TV or resting. Because of this, personal time becomes very limited, and many people slowly stop focusing on themselves. But this does not mean life is over or growth has stopped. In fact, your 50s can become a powerful new chapter of life. The first thing you need is better time management. Even giving a small amount of time to yourself every day can create a big difference in your confidence, energy, and personality. The second thing is fashion and self-care. Fashion is not only about expensive clothes. It is about looking neat, stylish, and confident. When you improve your appearance and personality, you naturally start feeling better about yourself. And the third and most important thing is confidence. Confidence changes the way people see you. When you carry yourself with confidence, people respect you more, feel attracted to your personality, and enjoy being around you. This is how your social circle starts growing again. So remember, after 50, life is not ending. It is your chance to rebuild yourself, improve your lifestyle, and become the best version of yourself. So always try to give you some time in a day to just care about yourself. And increase your self-value at 50.